बर्थडे टू यू जी, केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी, ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी।
Namaskar children, this is Disha ma'am and we are going to learn English. Last week पता है ना क्या किया था? Yes, we did a very exciting new chapter in grammar जो आपके सामने है. We did chapter number 18 that was of degrees of comparison, right? हमने last जो हमारा online classes था उसमें भी I made you understand what is degrees of comparison. We already know what is degree of comparison because we have already studied in class 3, right? चलिए, so in last video we completed 2 exercises and one was given as your homework. I hope you all have done your homework. It was finding out your mother's height, your father's height and your height along with your your age, your father's age and your mother's age, right? Chali. So after that exercise, today we will complete this chapter number 18. So ready to complete this chapter? Chali, let us open up the book. This is chapter number 18 and we have completed 3 exercises. Chaliye, come to page 99. Page 99. Comparison of adverbs. Like adjectives, adverbs also have 3 degrees of comparison: positive, superlative, positive, comparative and superlative, right? Same as adjective, adverbs के भी 3 degrees of comparison is same: positive, comparative and superlative. Let us see. The comparative and superlative degrees of adverbs are formed by adding er and est, as we all know. Fast, faster, fastest, right? Adding r and st to adverbs ending with e, that we have studied last में हमने पढ़ा था, right? That if the adjective ends with e, तो हम उसके पीछे दूसरा e नहीं लगाते. In the same way, if the adverb ends with e, we don't put another e after that, but उसमें ही r लगा देते. So you can see the example: late, late, later, latest, right? Now replacing y with ier and iest for adverbs ending with y, that we have studied. Same as an adjective कि जो y है उसका बन जाएगा I. Y will turn I. चलो repeat after me. Y will turn I. Again Y will turn I. Right. So early, earlier, earliest. See the spelling? EARLY. Early, EARLIER. Y की जगह पे I took the place, right? IER comparative degree है इसलिए superlative. Earliest, EARL IEST, earliest. Done. So early, earlier, earliest. Next, using more and most with adverbs ending with ly. This is a new rule. जैसे उसमें बड़े एग्जेक्टिव्स में longer adjectives were turned using more and most. This adverbs have the quality that अगर पीछे ly है then उसमें हम आगे more या most लगा देंगे. For example, smartly, more smartly, most smartly. Quickly, more quickly, most quickly, right? चलिए, next on the list we have, we use comparative adverb to compare 2 actions. We often write then after it. For examples, I will check my answers more carefully than last time, right? Comparative degree है अगर adverb ले या adjective ले. We use then, THAN, then only you can show comparison between 2 things or 2 people or 2 events. Clear? We use the superlative adverb to compare more than two actions. We often write the before it. Please underline this, both the rules. Here the use of then in the comparison is required, and in the superlative degree or superlative degree of adverb, the usage of the is required. Right? When you are showing something superlative, then you must use the. And when you are comparing two actions, you must use then. Clear? So we use comparative adverb to compare two actions. We often write then after it. THAN, my dear children, ये याद रखना. Then use करते हैं when you are comparing two things, right? And we use superlative adverb to compare more than two actions. We often write the before it. So we write the. So superlative degree में always remember superlative degree we write then, and comparative degree we write then, and superlative degree we write the. I repeat, for comparative degree we always write then, and for superlative degree we write the. Is that clear? Right? दूसरा एक डिफरेंस ये रहता है, superlative comparative degree में suppose you have written the word smart, so the comparative degree is smarter, right? So smarter then का usage after the adjective. Clear? Whereas in the superlative degree, smarter का superlative degree is smartest, est, right? So he is the smartest. So the is used before that adjective or adverb. Clear? I am repeating myself. Before the adjective or adverb, then is used after the adjective or adverb, and the is used before the adjective or adverb. As you can see in the example, the athlete from India ran the most swiftly. Clear? Chaliye, now let us begin the exercise. Chaliye, let us start the exercise. Filling the blanks with comparative forms of adverbs in the bracket. So bracket mein there are adverbs given and you will be writing the proper form, comparative form. Now we remember that comparative means comparison of two things, right? And use of then. So that has already been done in the exercise. Chaliye. This pair of shoes will last dash then that pair. Long, comparative degree, longer. Yes, so you will write longer. Very easy, isn't it? Right? Chalo. Sui has written dash then Mary neatly. Now can you see ly last में आया है, तो क्या करेंगे? So neatly, it can be written as neatlier also or more neat also. Yes, I have searched the Google. Both the answers are correct. Neatly ka we can use more neatly or neatlier. Both the answers are correct. More neatly also you can write and neatlier also you can write. Right? So here I am writing neatlier. आप चाहे तो दोनों में से कोई भी आंसर चूज करके लिख सकते हैं because both the answers are correct. So neatlier. Right? Shui has written neatlier than Mary. I repeat, both the answers are correct. More neatly or neatlier. दोनों correct है. Next, I thought you will solve this puzzle dash then that. So easily. Again the same. The answers would be more easily and easier. Both the answers are correct. More easily or easier. I thought you will solve this puzzle more easily than that. Right? I thought that you can solve this puzzle more easily than that. Chale, last. This time I have studied dash than last time seriously. Now इसमें children seriously नहीं आएगा. So you have to write more seriously. Spelling SERIOUSLY. RIOUSLY. This time I have studied more seriously than last time. Chaliye check your answers. The pair of shoes will last longer than that pair. Shui has written neatlier than Mary. I thought you will solve this puzzle more easily than that. This time I have studied more seriously than last time. Right? Got the answers? Now come to the last exercise of this chapter. Filling the blanks with the superlative forms of adjective in bracket. Chali. First one. Which of this car? Now here you will be not writing comparative degree, we will write superlative degree, right? So which of this car goes the dash fast? So the the superlative degree is fast, faster, fastest. Yes. Which of these three cars goes the fastest? John scored the highest because he worked the hardest. सबसे ज़्यादा मेहनत की थी. He worked the hardest. Of all the boys, James speaks English fluently. Now fluently yes नहीं आ सकता है. So you will write most fluently. Right? You can see it. That पीछे ly है. So it can be added with more or most for the degrees, for the changes in degrees. So of all the boys, James speaks English most fluently. सबसे ज़्यादा fluently James बोलता है, right? Next, the green buses run the dash, right? सबसे ज़्यादा green buses रहती है. So again, most frequently. Here you have to write ly. Ly is missing over here. This is an adverb, so it should be having ly. The green buses run the most frequently. The green buses run the most frequently. Clear? Chaliye check your answers. Which of these cars goes the fastest? John scored the highest because he worked the hardest. Of all the boys, James speaks English most fluently. The green buses runs the most frequently. Clear? Chaliye. So this is the end of the chapter. Now let us talk about today's homework. Today's homework is, I want you to write a table, or rather draw a table where this kind of table I want. It is on page number 97. Right? Can you see? Positive, comparative, superlative. ऐसा ही एक टेबल आप ड्रॉ करेंगे अपनी नोटबुक में, इंग्लिश की नोटबुक में. यू विल ड्रॉ दिस टेबल. Write with on a new page. Write today's date, the chapter's heading, and draw a table with 3 columns. All right. Write 10 adjectives on this side and write their comparative form and the superlative form. Am I clear? What you will do? You will draw a table like this, same as this. The words should be different. आप अपने हिसाब से सोचेंगे. Adjectives. Clear? So positive वाला जो रो है, इसमें you will write 10 adjectives. How many? 10. You will write 10 adjectives. You will give the comparative degree of that adjectives and the superlative degree of the adjectives. This would be your homework. Clear? So, what did we learn today? We completed the degrees of comparison wala chapter, that is chapter number 18 in the grammar textbook. What is today's homework? Today's homework is draw a table with 10 adjectives and write the comparative and the superlative degrees. Am I clear? Chaliye. This is end for today. Till we meet tomorrow. This is Disha ma'am signing off. Take care. Bye bye, and don't forget to do the homework. Okay? Bye.